with the letter short I sound words. Guys, do you really watch your teacher's video clip over the weekend? Yes? I think most everybody brought their homeworks last week. Your teacher was so impressed. You guys are so good. All the dictation homework part. I love it. I love it. Wasn't it so hard? Yes? No? Was it easy? So today your teacher's gonna give you one more dictation part. Well, it's gonna be from now on, but your teacher's gonna give you the dictation part homework right now in this video clip. So watch this video clip. You have to focus, focus, focus. Listen, 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 and repeat, repeat, repeat after your teacher. Okay? All right. Oscar, I know you're watching this video clip. Yes. All right. So everybody, let's go over all the short I sounds. Okay? Short I sounds like, what is it? Short I sounds like E, 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 E. Lucas, I sounds like E, okay? I sounds like E, 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 E. Haley, I, E, 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 E. I, E, 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 E. I sounds like E, right? We already learned this one on Phonics 1, right? So you guys have to remember. So today we're gonna go over all the short I sounds, okay? So everybody, how does... You already did, right? So today, this IP sound, IP, IP. How does IP sound like? IP, 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 right? Yes? So what about, how does IG sound like? IG, 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 right? Ig and ip. Ig, ip. Got it? Ip, ig, right? Let me see. Eric, Haley. Oh no, Haley was here. You only missed one, right? And then Wani and Olivia. Eric. IP sounds like ip, okay? Eric, Olivia, Wani, and you guys have to focus more, okay? So this is ip, 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 and this is ig, ig, ig. Yes? Are you guys okay? Okay, so we're gonna go over all the ip words and ig words together right now. Are you guys ready? Yes? So let's go over all the ip words first, okay? So, let's see if you can do this. So this is ip, 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 right? So what is this? Z, ip. What is it? Z, ip. Yes, you're right. Zip, right? Say the words very loudly, okay? So your mommy and daddy can hear you right now at your house. What about this one? Ip, ip, ip. Ip. Rip. Rip. With the R sound. Rip. 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 Okay, what is this? D, ip, dip. D, ip, deep. L, ip. L, ip. Moana. L, ip. Leap, right? So, was it easy? Yes, it was so easy, right? It's to read the words. If you know all the alphabet sounds, right? Okay, so right now we're gonna go over the ig words, okay? Ig, 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 ig. So let's go over this one, ig words, and this is d, ig, d, ig. Cheon, are you watching it? Yes, Stella, David, d, ig, dig. And what about this one? B-I-G, big. B-I-G, big, right? And this is W-I-G, wig. W-I-G, wig. And this is P-I-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. How easy is this, guys? Was it so easy? Yes? Chloe, you can read all the words by yourself, right? And Jua, I know you can read all the words and lie. And so many kids missed your teacher's class last week, so you guys have to watch this video clip and then say the words right, okay? And then you guys have to do your homework. You guys your homework were very nice last week, so you have to do it again this week. So your teacher's gonna show you this time the picture and you have to say the words, okay? Let me see if you can do this. This is ip, rip, right? What about this one? Oh, this is small and this is big, big, and this is big. Say the word. What is it? Can't hear you, Johnny. Big, Jian and Johnny. What is this? Dip, dip in the sauce. Dip. What is this? Woig. And this is zip. Zip. How easy. This is lip. Lip. And this is dig. Dig. Alright, so everybody, are you ready to do your dictation part of your homework? Yes? Yes or no? So let's do the writing part of your homework. Are you guys ready? Yes? Are you guys ready? Yes? We're gonna do the writing part. Ready? Here we go. Writing part. So guys, so let's go over from number one. Number one. Number one. Everybody ready? Number one. Let's see if you can write the words by yourself without your mommy's help. Alright, so let's see. I'm gonna give you the easy one, okay? The number one is very easy. This is P-E-G. Number one. P-E-G. Pig. Write it down right now. Don't look at me. Write it down. P-E-G. Pig. P-E-G. Pig. Number one. Ready? This is number two. Number two. Wo-ig. Wo-ig. Week. Wo-ig. Week. Got it? And number three. Number three is z-ip. Zip. Z-ip. Zip. Are you writing it down, Stella? Yes? David, are you writing it down? Yes or no? Z-ip. Zip. Got it? And what about this one? L-I-P. This is number four, right? Number four. Number four. L-I-P. Write it down on your paper right now with your pencil. L-I-P. Lip. L-I-P. Lip. Alright, so ready? One more. Number five, right? Number five? I'm confused. Number five. Number five, guys. Number five is E-P. E-P. E-P, right? E-P. E-P. Rip. Okay? Rip. 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 Number six, right? Number six. Number six is D-E-G. Dig. D-E-G. Write it down. This is the last one. D-E-G. Dig. D-E-G. Last one. Dig. I don't know if you're gonna get the right answer or not. Just to see your paper. Alright, so this is number 1 through 6. I hope you got all the right answers. And everybody, the coronavirus is right now, it's everywhere. So many students, so many friends they got infected. Your teacher is very sad. So everybody, take care of yourself, especially Eric, Wani, and who else was Wani and Olivia. Yes, your teacher misses you. And everybody, go over all the ipu words and igu words at home with your mommy and daddy. And you have to bring your homework on Monday. Alright guys? Yes, your teacher is gonna check. And probably Friday your teacher's gonna give you the $3. Okay? Alright, so have a great weekend with your mommy and be careful. Alright? You know why? Coronavirus is everywhere. So everybody, have a great weekend and be safe, okay? And I'll see you guys next month with your home. Alright? Alright, so be safe guys. So I'll see you next month. I miss you. Guys, your teacher is back because I forgot. Today, David's gonna come out and read all the short I words for us. Okay? David, are you ready? Yes? I'm gonna go find David. David, come out. David. Here with your teacher. Let me see, David. Okay, say hello, everybody. You. Say hello, everybody. Say hello. So today, David's going to read the short I words. Let me see if you can read this one or not. Okay, so David, how does IG sound? Like IG, IG? Ah! IG, IG. Ig. Yes, very good. I know you know all the answers. Okay, what about IP, IP? Very good. So I know you can read all the words. Let me see if you can read, okay? So let me see. All right, so David, are you ready? Yes?
Yes.
You ready? Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Are you a baby? Baby David? Okay, so let me see if David can read all the words. Okay, David, this is dig. Dig, very good. What about buig? Big, very good. What about woig? What about this one? Peak. Zip. Reap. Deep. Deep. Leap. Oh, so you know all the short What is cat? Very good. What about how does E sound? Like E? What is muet? What about I? What is put in the pink? Very good. High five. Excellent work. Alright, so David, thank you very much. And maybe I don't know who's gonna come out on the next video clip, but David, you did an excellent job. So you're gonna be on my video clip. Are you happy? Yes? Alright, so I'll see you next time. Say bye-bye, David. Bye-bye.